Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create password on Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon. Now tap on account option. Tap on the very last option, that is login methods. And then tap on create password option. Now create a new password. To confirm, enter your new password once again. Once you're done, tap on the red button. And this is how you can create password on Yubo. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.